So guys, with recording ya gompieno, I'm not going to record the whole topic ya magnetism. I'm only going to selectively record the highly horeng like what I ke bontshe batho mo whiteboarding certain things that we are unable to clarify, discuss properly online during our previous session. So ga go gala goreng ko ntleng la with magnetism re buile goreng it is the behavior of a magnet to attract or repel other objects, especially magnetic objects. Re buile gore magnet doesn't necessarily attract anything. It doesn't attract insulators. There are four types of substances that are attracted by a magnet. Those are called ferromagnetic substances. We have cobalt, we have nickel, we have iron as a soft magnetizing substance. It loses magnetism easily. And then we also have steel as a hard magnetizing substance. Steel maintains magnetism even if you stop the electromagnetic supply. Magnet has got two poles. It has got the north and the south. The north pole we have different types of magnets, right? Bo horseshoe, bo U-shaped magnet, bo bar magnet. So the bar one, if you hang it loosely on a thread, this the north pole of a magnet will seek the geographic north of the geographic north of the cardinal point, right? But it will not directly point towards the north. There will be that difference in angle, more angle of declination, right? Geographic north, the magnet, just close to the geographic north, but there will be an angle between angle of declination. So right behind me, mobile magnet always establishes a magnetic field around it. So how do you identify these magnetic field lines? How are the ion valence? How are the ion valence? The grammar hora ion. How are gasa around the magnet? We go on those ion valence, the lines around the magnet, or the line around the magnet. For you to determine the direction of field lines with something you want to get plotting compass, ya go bontsha gore the field lines di supile kae around the magnet. So ke re gore memorize one thing very important, gore these field lines always move such that they are living di tswa mo north di tsena ka south, like this way. Magnet on the field lines on the north pole le south pole. Field lines are such that di tswa mo go north ke of di tswa mo go north di tsena ka go south. So se ba le bala kganyeo di tsena ka go south, di tswa ka go north. Yeah, so be ke bona gore di tswa ka go north di ya go tsena ka south ka. So tse di mogaretse di supela go morago di ya go tsena ka ga south. O se ka tla go dira phoso ya gore e re ha o tshwantsha mo exameng a bo bona tse di lebile go godimo, a bo hela o tshwantsha o di isa go godimo. No, that will be very wrong. Magnets either repel or attract. La go itse gone gore light poles repel, unlike poles attract. I di tlhamale tsa garaneng, this shows attraction. Di tswa ha di aka, so di tswa ka north. So this pole ke north pole, So that's why it is very important to create direction of the magnetic field line. So this is what guy. This is the North Pole, and this one is the South Pole. So these are go on north, they are being attracted to the South Pole. So this is attraction between north and south. Here we have two cases of repulsion. There is repulsion. Here there's also repulsion. How about the partial lining? It is repulsion. This point there, point there, we don't take null point or the neutral point. Point there, we don't take null point or neutral point. So hanging na gore talema gore ha diatswa le ha diatswa. So se se go bontsha gore this is the North Pole. This is the North Pole. So it is the repulsion between two North Poles, because they are the magnetic field lines. So di go bontsha gore ke repulsion mme di field lines di tsena mo teng ke repulsion ya south versus south. So you go the memories ka tseleng tseng, then your life will be very easy mo examing. So the whole purpose of studying this topic ibitswa go ke electromagnetism. Magnetism ona ntse tsamaya le motlakase gore there are two phenomenon tse modimo a di rileng gore di ne di tshwaragane, and because of the existence of these two phenomenon ke gone mo go thutsang gore re be gona gore re motlakase. Ha ne go sena di magnet mo botshelong o ke be go sena motlakase mo botshelong. Go felong le fe le bona gore motlakase me one gore re ne le motlakase mo botshelong. How do we produce electricity? Le goreng dilo tse tshwane bo di-motor tse leng di a dikologa tse leng di dira movement, rotary movement, di go tlileng gore di kgone gore di fele di rotate. Every time go nna le a current carrying wire automatically develops magnetic field around it. So go na le molao wa ntho se re o itse go teng ke right hand grip rule. If this wire is carrying current, so current ya go godimo, o dirisa your right hand to determine the direction of magnetic field lines which are established around this wire. Around this wire develops magnetic effect. And you use your right hand, then you dirisa konope, your thumb. Your thumb points towards the direction of current. Then anti-clockwise relative to this wire. Anti-clockwise. So this is how you use the right hand grip rule to determine the direction of magnetic field lines around a current carrying wire. This wire is very current. Current there ya go godimo. So current there like if current there go tlase. Current there ya go tlase. So I will level direction of magnetic field lines. The field lines, how do you say right hand grip rule? Current high ya go godimo. The field lines it's anti-clockwise. So the field lines it's anti-clockwise. The field lines it's anti-clockwise. How is anti-clockwise? Level la tsaka. Ha current ya go tlase. With this right hand grip rule, the field lines it's clockwise. So clockwise. So that's basically how you use your right hand grip rule. How you go with the field lines it's anti-clockwise. How you go classify or super go classify the field lines it's clockwise. Then ke lebeletse gore ga o tswa fo lebela tse di hagare tse halatse tse di hagare ga loop this will be away from you. So they are going to create an effect. They are going to create a magnetic effect. Field lines are pointing away from you. And how ga kgaola segment there we shall the field lines are pointing away from you. So N as if this is the N side of the magnet. The field lines it's in a car. In the D introduction macarons are different. N as if it's in a car. N as if it's in a car. N as if it's in a car. So homo you imagine a magnet here. You create a magnetic effect. Create a magnetic effect go fa go behave like a south pole. Usually North Pole. So go create the effect there, North Pole. So now you are creating a magnetic effect. Here is the South Pole, ke North Pole. Scientists amplified this effect. O ba tsa kgwele ba go dira kgwele ntsi kgona go tsaya kgwele o e kgwela ga ntsi ga o etsa o dira yalo ga go le one ra re ke loop kgwele ga o kgwela ga ntsi ra re ke solenoid. So solenoid is simply multiple loops. So teng ga solenoid go bela gore you still apply your right hand grip rule wa go bona gore ha current e tswa fa ya go godimo, current ya go godimo di fields di tsama anti-clockwise. So di fields di go tsama anti-clockwise go ka fa di tsama ka di le baka di ya go godimo ha a be di ya go tlase. So ha amonye fa di ya go tlase di tsama yang go ba go le go tlase tlambo le go tlase di tsama clockwise. So here di tsama clockwise ha le di ya go godimo, ha di ya go godimo ya gona same effect ka fa di nna di le baka ebe di ya go tlase ka di gona clockwise gape ka ha di le bakwa ha ya go godimo kwa di nna anti-clockwise gape. Lebela tse di mo teng ga loop, tse di mo teng ga loop di pointile kwa, tse di mo teng ga loop di pointile kwa, tse di ka hatsi di pointile kwa, le tse ka di pointile kwa. So di create the effect, di create a magnetic effect e le gore di fields di mo teng di a go pointa kwa. So how color segment mo teng, e nna such that the field lines are entering from this side, they're entering from this side. Di a go tswa ka kwa. So the effect e le gore re ile ko di tsanang ka teng ka fa keng, ko ha di tsanang ka teng ka fa keng ke south, ka ha ke south ko di tswang go teng kwa keng ka ke north. So you create the north effect this side. So the inside mo teng ga di loop is you are creating a magnetic effect of ha ke south mo teng ka ke north. So this effect how it's for you to create magnets, there are several ways of magnetizing these ferromagnetic substances to derive double touch stroking, right? The stroking method, but you can also use electricity. You are simply developing a solenoid around speaker. You are developing a solenoid around this speaker, and then develop current or another positive. So how we examine? You can still use this right hand grip rule. What's a similar transfer? What are we doing? What's a similar transfer individually? What's a man how we allow this right hand? Mutlakaso la ha tswa o tsene ka go speaker ke safe sense mutlakaso o tsene ka so me na go e supa along direction of current is pointala towards you. So tshwara speaker se go tsamaya ka mogala tsamaile ka kwa mogala putile ka kwa wa positive putile ka kwa, so wa go tshwara ka megala tsamaile north wa go supa north o supa atake tsamba go e supa north, tsamba go e supa north. So you can still use the right hand grip rule to determine north. Ha ne mogala o ha no putile ha godimo fa ha no sa pota ka kwa ha no putile ha godimo the arrow direction the direction of current go be super away from you. So go tshwara speaker se jar north ke ba go north na go nna ka fa ha ne mogala o putile ha godimo current ne ya go tsamaya north ba nna ka fa. So this is how you use the solenoid or electromagnetism to magnetize this iron or steel. Then there's another rule you think right hand screw rule. So each time current ya go godimo how tshwere a screw house fela go tsa ka a se tlhaga godimo sa go tlhagisa nkonyana. So the getting cause this screw, this spark current is coming out of the paper. Ha current is going into the paper. So how there is a screw, the right hand screw. Ha current e tsena ha le screw se tsena mo teng ga pampiri marago ga sone a screw se tsene ga go tlhaga marago ga sone a leng plasnyana. So re dirisa marago a screw go sepa gore ha the screw is going into the paper or current is going into the paper, if current is coming out of the paper, current again the field di go anti-clockwise, so the anti-clockwise, but each time here current into the paper, so if current is into the paper, the field lines will be clockwise rather. So every time here the field lines will be clockwise. So if the field lines are clockwise, effect the field lines ya go supa kwa, so effect the field lines ya go fa a north effect this side, e be go fa the south. The ball o se screw fela tswa ka hatlase ga se tlhaga mo godimo ga bodi kana mo pampiri se go tlhaga nko, so ga bodi ntsane ga se tlhaga godimo go tlhaga nko. So re dirisa that nko dot go supa gore the current is coming out of the paper, hela ka screw sa go tswa mo godimo ga pampiri kana mo godimo ga bodi ga go tlhaga nko pele. But when the screw moves into the body, ha se nnola mo teng go sala go feletsa go tlhagile marago a sone. So we use that plus to symbolize foreign current is flowing into the paper, right? So I like to that effect. The rest of the details so now the other important rule is there are two other rules more than Fleming's left hand rule, Fleming's right hand rule. With Fleming's left hand rule, rare on a lady's arrangement, the north and the south pole, right? And then on a lady's wire yellow ring, it is carrying current. So where I have current, it is going to be deflected. Point kind of ring, in which direction will this wire be deflected? Where you have deflect either upwards or downwards. You use your left hand, that's like at 90 degrees to each other. The thumb is super thrust or direction of deflection or movement of force. The first finger is super field, direction of field, magnetic field. The second finger, second, is super direction of current, right? So where if it's where the current is moving in this direction. So what O2 super current there it will go there. So O2 one cloud, the first one super along the direction of the magnetic field from north to south. The direction of magnetic field from north to south. So I super current there. So thumb if this wire is going to be deflected upwards. So this wire is going to be deflected upwards. This wire is going to be deflected upwards. If this current was going to change direction, current then field in this from north to south, then current there super current deflection downwards. This wire is going to be deflected downwards. So that's basically how you use your Fleming's left hand rule. So re dirisa go ile goreng re supa deflection movement ke ka ha motor o dira movement ka teng. So motor o dirwa ka di-coil tse dintsi tse gore every time a coil is being deflected, and then ha di-coil di deflectwa yalo di dira that rotary movement e be hala na le motor o dikologa ka tseleng tsela, right? Ga go tla go nna le molao mongwe go teng ke one ke Fleming's right hand rule. Ra go dirisa the same notation but re dirisa on the right hand. Thumb in the super thrust or movement, but this time around super how does the magnetic field help us to produce electricity. So that in that scenario this wire between the north and the south, but in that case this Fleming's right hand rule, this wire won't be carrying current. So this wire will not be carrying current, right? The remover that wire will be moving now, deflecting this wire within the magnetic field. how tsere wire e ntse helaneng ka fa ile magnet ka a botsa wire hela o e tsamaiselaneng ya go choke mme se nga porta mo takaseng ha o e tsamaiselaneng ya go choke because wire high deflect mo magnetic fielding it produces current. So this wire, if you deflect it upwards wa go dirisa Fleming's right hand rule, how we deflect upwards, electricity or current will develop in this wire going in this direction into the paper. If you deflect this wire downwards, if you deflect this wire downwards, I feel this will be legal. Deflecting this wire downwards will develop current. It will be moving out of the paper in this direction. So ne ke batla gore ke supe di illustration mo boarding le ntebile ra tsana ko classeng a be go nna motlhofo lebelang this video then e be re joina class ka 7:30 go tla go nna motlhofo goreng ha le reditse video e be tla le nthe za re tla re dipotso mmogo. Yeah, thank you so much for your attention.